Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, so this is your messages, energy check-ins, and prediction reading. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung meron pong tanong o pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page na Fias Tarot for more info. Okay? And syempre, if you're interested na magpa-reading kay Perception of Light, ito po yung kanyang FB page. And yes, don't forget to follow. And sa mga naghahanap po ng healer, spiritual, ano pa ba? Physical, oo, may mga kulam, may mga sanib, yan. Kay Kuya Dingsi po tayo. Okay, so message lang po kayo sa kanya. Matutulungan niya kayo. Actually, sa totoo lang. O, diba? Okay, message lang po ha. Okay. And yeah, don't forget to follow rin si Kuya Dingsi sa kanya pong FB page. And yes, oo. Pagdating sa ating mga Evil Eye item. So, ito yung ating all-in-one Evil Eye bracelet. Available in red and black strings. Okay. So, ito po yung may initial. Ito yung wala. Okay. So, ito yung wala. So, dalawa yung bracelet natin. Pagdating sa Evil Eye. Okay. So, ito yung may initial. Ito po yung wala. Ha, same lang din naman. Actually, this is may ano lang naman kasi. May design. Oo. Kasi ito yung first pa sa first. So, ito yung unang-una natin na, 'di ba, sa mga bago dyan. Ito yung unang-una nating ginawa or ipinaprovide o sa mga naghahanap talaga eh. Okay, may mga naghahanap so nag-provide tayo. Okay, so yun siya. This is adjustable by the way. And this one is garterized. Okay, so Evil Eye ring, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and adjustable po, ha, ang ating Evil Eye ring. Okay, so, ito naman ang ating Evil Eye necklace, diba? Oo, sa sobrang dami, nagkaroon na tayo ng maraming item, kasi yun ang mga hinahanap nila. So, magpo-provide talaga tayo, diba? Okay, so, yan, si Evil Eye necklace. Okay, so, again, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and meron siyang extender, para inyo pong mai-adjust yung length ng ating chain. Pero you can you can use yung kung ano man ang gusto ninyong chain. Kung meron kayong currently may ginagamit kayong chain. So yes, pwede naman 'yon. Okay? So ating new item is yung ating evil ang ating ang tawag dito, 'di ba, nawala si love bracelet. Okay, so si love bracelet, pwede yan sa single, pwede yan sa may karelasyon, at sa mga hiwalay. Okay, so anything na kailangan niyang i-provide for you, siya na yung magpo-provide. Okay, tutulungan ka niya, i-help ka niya kung ano man ang kailangan or kung ano ba yung nawawala, siya yung magbibigay. Okay, siya yung magpo-provide. Okay, so kung wala yung happiness, bibigyan niya ng happiness yung inyong connection. Parang ganon. Okay, so ang meron sa kanya is mga precious stones. Okay? So, ito yung pwedeng magbigay ng help sa inyo, no? Para magkaroon naman ng tawag dyan, harmony. Yan, mga ganyan. Peace. Oo. Para maiba rin naman yung ating reading. O, diba? Oo, 'di ba? Oo, kasi kung hindi magbabago, pare-pareho lang ang ating mariread actually sa totoo lang, ha. Okay, so this is 7 inches long from here to here. Okay, so meron siyang lock. Hindi po ito na-adjust, hindi rin po ito garterized. Okay, so meron siyang ganito na lock. Okay, so ganyan po, ha. Yan, ganyan siya. And ito yung dulo. Okay, this is 7 inches long from here to here. Okay, so ganito siya kapag nakasuot. Okay, meron siyang parang pendant na ayan, heart-shaped stone. Okay, so ganyan po. 'Di ba? Napakaganda. Shining, shimmering, splendid. Ang ganda sa eyes. Look, 'di ba? Okay, so yan lang ang kanyang masasabi ko dito sa ating love bracelet. This is made to order. Okay po, made to order ang ating love bracelet, ha. So next is syempre, and naka-box po, no, ang ating love bracelet, ha. Naka-box siya. So ganito yung box niya. Okay, nakalagay siya sa ganitong box. Okay. So, ang ating, sa pinaka, 'di ba? Ang ating granter necklace. So, ano po ba ang kayang maibigay ni granter? Kung anong gusto mo ipag-grant. Yes. Opo. Pwede kayong tulungan, ha? Tutulungan kayo ng granter necklace, kung ano man ang gusto nyo, nais nyo, wish nyo, desires nyo. Okay? So, made to order ang ating granter necklace, and this is unisex. Sa babae, sa lalaki, kung ano man ang gender mo, pwede yan sa'yo. Okay? So, non-tarnish, okay, hypoallergenic, and 20 inches long po. No, yung ating chain. Okay? So, yeah, tulad ni Evil Eye necklace, pwede nyo namang gamitan ng ibang chain if you want to. Okay? So, pagdating sa ating pendant, ganito siya. Okay? So, parang meron siyang glass. Okay? Ganyan. Okay? So, ganyan siya sa harap. Ganon din po sa likod. Okay? So, yeah, made of may acrylic po kasi kaya ganon. Okay? So, yeah, matatanggap nyo naman siya. Oo, na naka-box. Ganito yung box niya. Ganito yung box ni granter necklace natin. Okay? So, again, made to order ang ating granter necklace. So, gagawa lang namin kung ipapag-go nyo. Okay? So, yes. Yun lamang. Okay. So, tayo ay mag-start na sa reading. 'Di ba? Ang haba ng ating intro, ang ating spiel bago pa matapos. Okay, paus na. Ang reader. Okay. Okay. So, let's start with air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Tagal ako nawala. 2 days. Matagal daw. Wala. May mga inasikaso lang. Okay. And kailangan rin magpahinga. Opo. Okay, so air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay. So, anong kailangang malaman ng mga air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius? Okay, the Ten of Cups in reversed. Okay, what's that? The Three of Swords. Okay, so there's a family issue here. Okay. There's an issue here. Anong meron dito sa Ten of Cups in reversed? The Nine of Wands in reverse. Someone needs your help. Air sign. Someone will. Okay? Someone will. Yeah, I think this is all about money, I guess. Pwedeng may hihingi ng tulong sa'yo, air sign. Okay? So, what else? Family issue. Someone's health. Parang ganyan. Okay. Six of Cups in reversed. What's that? The Two of Cups in reverse. Oh no. Okay, so 6 and 2 is what? 8. 8 of Cups in reverse. So I think meron ditong past person na magbabalik. Okay, yeah. See? The Ace of Cups. Pero kailangan nyo mag-heal actually. Kailangan. Okay? So for me, nakikita ko rito is hindi pa healed. Oo, itong past person mo, pwedeng water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, meron pa rin siyang may provide or may bibigay. Provide talaga, oo. May bibigay na something na hindi pa rin talaga makakapagpabago sa sitwasyon. Okay, nandyan pa rin yung pain, nandyan pa rin yung issue. So, healing is napaka-important sa inyong dalawa. Okay, so some of you they're bitter. Yeah, they're bitter. Yeah. Okay. So, may magbabalik na past person, mga air signs. Oo. Sa mga may gusto, edi very good. Sa mga ayaw, wala tayong magagawa. May ganun Oo, may ganung energy. Anyway. Okay, so what else? Four of Coins in reverse. Okay, so may mga maglalabas ng pera dito. Okay, Four of Coins in reversed. Yan, the Four of Wands universe. So, some of you, pwedeng may chance na gumastos pagdating sa bahay. I don't know, it's like pagpapalit ng mga furnace, mga ganun. Pagpapalit ng mga kung anumang gamit sa bahay, parang ganyan. Okay? So, yeah. May mga mag-aalok para may bibilihin yung iba sa inyo. May mga ipapakumpuni, may mga ipapagawa. Some of you, this is like renovation. Okay? In the near future, maybe. Okay? So, may konting paggastos, pero I think mas maganda kung itutuloy nyo. Okay? Yeah. Okay, yun lamang ang nakikita ko for air signs. Oo, pahapyaw muna. Okay, pahapyaw muna. Ay, okay, so next. Fire signs. Okay. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Ano ba ang messages for you, fire signs? Fire signs. Justice in reversed. Okay. Anong meron sa Justice in reverse? Some of you, pwedeng meron kayong Libra na nakaka-deal, or diba? Okay. The Two of Cups. May connection dito na parang hindi dapat. Why? Why the Justice in reversed? Yeah, the Ten of Swords. Kailangan matapos. Oo, kailangan matapos to. Meron ditong forgiveness. Kailangan ng forgiveness. Yeah, the Three of Cups in reverse. Some of you, this is like talking about third party. Mga ganyan. So, kung may mga third party dyan, may chance na may mag-e-end. May matatapos. Okay? Yeah, the King of Wands. The King of Swords in reverse. So, may gumagawa na hindi tama rito. Someone will get caught. Okay? Like, may mahuhuli. Parang ganyan. May mahuhuli. Kung ano man yan. And then, tsaka matatapos kapag nahuli. Actually. Okay, yeah, the Three of Cups again. So, what's that? So, for me, that's an energy of success, victory, occasions, like that. And may chance ng pagsasama-sama together with your friends. Mga ganyan, okay? What's with the Three of Cups? Some of your friends, hindi totoo, ha? Okay? So, parang ginagamit ka lang para magkaroon din sila ng victory, parang ganyan, or success sa buhay nila, mga ganyan. Yeah, the Two of Wands. Okay, so hindi lahat. Yeah, follow your intuition. Mamili ka ng kaibigan mo, ha, fire signs. Okay, kasi iba sa kanila talagang patapon, actually. Okay? Ano tong Three of Cups? See, the King of Wands. Mga manggagamit. Oo. So, what else for fire signs? Okay. Aries, Leo, and Sag. Anong meron? Iba sa inyo, binabackstab kayo ng friend nyo. Yeah. Gumagawa ng kwento para magkaroon silang improvement or kung ano man. Okay? May paninira. Chariot in reversed. So, number 1 kong naisip is pwedeng magkaroon ng issue patungkol sa sasakyan mo, parang ganyan. There's delay. Okay? There's a delay here. Yeah, the Emperor in reversed. Okay. So, parang iba sa inyo, may mapepending na leveling up, like promotion. Okay? May mapepending. Some of you talagang hinaharang Okay? Hinaharang. Yeah, the King of Coins in reversed. So, kapag ganyan, may delay rin pagdating sa kaperahan mo. Sa totoo lang. Okay? Pwedeng merong mangyaring hindi pagkakasunduan together with your boss. Like, meron kayong hindi pagkakasunduan. Okay? Yeah, the Seven of Swords in reverse. Kung ano yung tumatakbo sa isip nyo? Ano tong Chariot in reverse? Yeah, the Magician. Kung ano man yung mga plano, okay, kung ano mga plano, pwedeng hindi sila agree, parang ganyan, okay? Or may magdi-disagree. Kung anong in-expect mo na dapat nasagot niya, hindi yun ang isasagot niya. Okay? So, magkakaroon ng sabihin natin parang arguments, whatsoever. Okay? Like, drama, kung ano man. Okay? So, there. Someone is afraid na kumonek sa'yo. Yeah, someone is afraid. They feel a strong connection with you though. Okay? So, yeah. Next is water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay, I want to use another deck. Okay, ito na lang. Ito muna, ikaw. Okay, gamit tayo ng ibang deck. Okay, so water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Ano ba ang mensahe? Okay, messages, goodbye, prediction, yan, for water signs. Anong kailangang malaman ng mga water signs? Okay, the star in reversed. What's that? Seven of Pentacles. Meron dito nagiging hopeless pagdating sa mga expectations. Pwedeng mayroon dito nadidisappoint. Actually, yeah, may nadidisappoint dito. Anong meron? What's with the star in reversed? Umaasa na parang matutulungan, pero parang hindi. Knight of Cups in reverse, yeah, wala silang nakukuha. Disappointments to. Pero someone is too kind. Maybe this person is too kind. Parang ganyan. They're like invested and talagang kaya nilang unahin yung iba kasi sa sarili nila. Someone like that. Okay. Someone is expecting something from you. Pero hindi nila nakukuha, hindi nila nakikita yun. Okay, yeah, the Knight of Wands. Maybe they see you as the Knight of Wands in reversed. Yung parang wala kang ruta. I don't know like parang wala kang direction. Parang hindi kayo magtugma. So maybe may na-expect sa'yo tong taong to and hindi nila nakikita yun. Kung ano na-expect nila. Okay, what else? Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. The Eight of Wands in reverse. Okay, so that's miscommunication, may mga ganyan, blocking of messages, mga ganyan, or delay. Okay, yeah. What's with the Eight of Wands in reverse? The Nine of Cups in reverse. So, something na bibigay sa inyo or sa'yo ng something like codependency. Okay? I think ito yung parang magbibigay ng hadlang. Oo, magbibigay sa iyo ng sabihin nating struggles, no? Sa pag-grow mo. Okay? Yeah. Okay, so you need to release yourself from I think burden. Okay? Sa mga codependency kind of situations. Okay? So, kailangan yung ialis kasi hindi kayo mag-grow. Actually, hindi kayo mag-grow. Kung hahayaan yung sarili na parang nakadepende. Parang ganon. Okay? Some of you, let's see, ano tong 8 of Wands at 9 of Cups na naka-reverse na to? Meron ditong hindi maka-move, hindi maka-action dahil lagi na lang, yun nga, umaasa, nakadepende. Yeah, the 2 of Wands. A lot of delays. Ano kaya? Ano kayang aking gagawin? Parang ganon. Someone is confused. Okay? Iwasan nyo. Follow your intuition. Kung anong man ang kailangan mong gawin. Follow your intuition. Wag kang magpa-under, no, sa mga sitwasyong may codependency. Okay? Ang hirap nito eh. Hindi ka makakakilos ng iyo. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Meron ditong hindi makapagsalita dahil Hindi nila alam. Baka hindi tanggapin yung sasabihin nila. Mga ganon. Okay? So, they're choosing to be silent. Quiet. So, yung iba sa inyo, talagang aalisan. Yung mga ganitong sitwasyon. Okay, the 9 of Wands inversed. Okay, anong meron sa 9 of Wands inversed? The 9 of Pentacles. So, we have here angel number 999. Okay, so tingnan nyo po, no, kung ano bang meron. Yeah, you can Google it. Okay, so, angel number 999. Okay, so we have here the 9 of Wands in reverse and the 9 of Pentacles. Okay, so, meron ditong gusto mag-open up. This person likes you. Okay, they're attracted. Yeah, they're attracted. Anong meron sa 9 of Wands in reversed? Judgment in reverse and the Ace of Pentacles. Okay, so I think meron nakaka-appreciate or someone is appreciating you kung ano man. May makaka-appreciate sa mga gawa mo. Okay? May mga nag-admire sa'yo, water signs. Okay, pwedeng Scorpio, fire, and earth. Okay? Yeah, someone is having a crush. Oo. Sa'yo, maybe. Or ikaw, merong nagugustuhan. Parang ganun. Merong mag-open up actually. May mag-express ng kanilang emosyon, ng kanilang kung ano man. Kung meron pagdating sa'yo. Okay, so there. Yeah. Someone younger for some of you. Okay. They're too attracted. Okay, so next is Earth signs. Okay. Yeah, syempre. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, big help yan sa ating channel. Okay, Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorns. Okay, so anong message? Okay, ang kailangan nyong malaman. Earth signs. Anong kailangan malaman ng mga Earth signs? Okay, the moon in reversed. Some of you maging mapagmatsyag kayo sa inyong mga napapanaginipan lately. Okay, lalo na mamayang gabi. I don't know why. Okay, what's with the moon in reversed? The 5 of Cups. Someone needs you. Someone needs you. Someone wants you. Someone is in need pagdating sa'yo. Okay, some of them, they want to connect. Okay? So, pwedeng may mga sign na ipapakita sa universe sa pamamagitan ng dream. Okay? Meron kayong mga, maybe kailangang baguhin na, parang ganyan. Oh, the 2 of Cups is here. Someone is missing you. Someone needs you. What's with the moon in reversed? The 5 of Swords. Meron ditong taong gulong-gulo. Gustong malaman kung ano talaga yung emotion mo for them. Meron naguguluhan. Yeah. Okay. So, what else for Earth signs? So, pwedeng Pisces, water sign, and air. Someone is stressing. Someone is thinking of you a lot. A lot. Okay? Hanggang sa parang napapanaginipan ka na niya. Okay. The King of Pentacles in reversed. Judgment. Time na magkaroon ng leveling up. Okay? Yeah, leveling up. So, sa management, maybe may mga baguhin, may mga i-end, may mga babaguhin para magkaroon ng leveling up, like changes. Okay? What's with the King of Pentacles in reversed? Yeah, the Nine of Cups. For the better. Some of you, this is like a wishful fulfillment, mga ganyan. Someone you've been praying for. Yeah. Yung ba sa inyo sinasabi rito na wag daw ang tawag doon, ganito na lang, don't give up before the finish line or until the finish line. Yun ang naririnig ko rito. Okay? Don't give up. Yeah. Kahit parang tingin mo pa ulit-ulit na wala nang mangyari, kahit anong gawin mo, parang ganun. Okay? So what else? Some of you, you're someone's wish fulfillment. Yeah, actually. What else for earth signs? Okay, the Page of Swords. Someone wants to talk to you. Someone is talking. Watching you. Okay. What's with the Page of Swords? The Fool in reversed. So I think some of them, they're just like playing cool. Okay, like hindi sila nagpapahalata. What's with the Fool in reversed? Some of them, they're afraid na maging vulnerable or transparent pagdating sa'yo. Why? Yeah, the Eight of Wands. Okay, so I think talaga itong taong to gusto niya makausap ka. Okay? Page of Swords. Again, the Three of Wands. Pero malayo eh. Lumalayo sa'yo tong taong to, or sabihin nating may distansya sa inyong dalawa. Takot lang siya makipag-usap, pero yeah, gusto niya makipag-usap sa'yo. Okay? Pwedeng Aries, pwedeng fire sign, air. Yeah. Someone's a juggler. Okay? Gusto ka niya, meron siyang gusto sa pagdating sa'yo, pero they're juggling. They don't know kung paano, kung anong meron, bakit ganyan. They're confused then. Okay, the Two of Pentacles. Pwedeng earth sign like you. Yeah, the Ten of Swords. Dami namang stress nitong taong to. Yeah. Anyway. Okay, so in general, yung iba sa inyo, talaga, pagdating sa kaperahan din, in general, gumawa kayo ng magandang desisyon pagdating sa pamemera ninyo. Okay? Some of you may darating na isang tawag dyan, pagdedesisyon pagdating sa pamemera. Okay, so there, yeah, yun ang ating reading for all signs. Yeah, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.